Kurumirira wagagu uria ugumeire muingi kuma kaunti-ini ya Mombatha wigie gututhuka kwa ikundi cia itoi na wikinai mbere ya githurano kinene gutafanio. Minista wa ugitiri wa thiinii ndagitari Fred Matiang'i ni arumite kinii na kuga ministry yake iricemba na ndigwitikiria thayo utharario na njira o yothe kaunti-ini ino. Akiaria hindi ya kuruguria wabici nene cia kuhurana na ciiko cia itoi kaunti-ini ya Mombatha, Matiang'i niathanite gutumwo kwa maabithaa ugitiri mwena uyu niguo kugacirithia thayo guku, akiehereria aikari wagagu uria ukoretwo kuo wa gututhuka kwa ikundi ici.
We have agreed, and I would like to announce that there are some parts of this region where we are going to heighten surveillance, and therefore I have asked this morning the regional security team to rise up the level of alertness in certain parts of this region to ensure that we facilitate effective participation in the general elections. And therefore we will, effective next week, locate additional security resources here.
Matiang'i ni ugite ministry yake ndikwirorera ringi a Kenya magite mioyo yao kurumirira tharikira cia itoi, akiranira kung'ethanira nao na gutigirira matinaheo kanya ga gutafania tharikira ici, akiranira kwambiririo kwa mubango wa tafarira ya waki wa igoti riria riritwithanagirio mashira ma itoi ta maria mari njera-ini ya Kameme na Shimolatewa.
Following this facility, we now need to start preparing to build a court facility here so that while we hold terrorists in these facilities, we are also able to process them through the justice chain here. That keeps the population out there safer, gives us an opportunity to expeditiously deal with their challenges, and also ensure that cases involving terror and terrorist activities do not linger around in our justice system.
Kuhana uguo atongoria a kiuteti ni maruteirwo mukana gukirikana niyo makoretwo muhari-ini wa mbere kuhuthira ikundi ici guthararia thayo, akiuga matikunirwo ritho ni watho.
My simple advice to them is don't try, because we actually are watching very closely, and I have asked my colleagues in the regional security team to act ruthlessly on any individual politician or any player who's going to try to do those kinds of things.
Ihinda-inĩ riu thirikari ya bururi wa Ngeretha kuhitukira baruthi wayo guku bururi-ini Jane Marriott ni iheanite ciringi mirioni 1 iria cikuhuthika hari kung'ethanira na itoi guku bururi-ini.
TPU. It will provide a dedicated space for officers to work on CT cases and support effective and human rights compliant CT investigations. It will allow the public to have direct access to the ATPU, creating more awareness about the excellent work that the ATPU do and strengthening their relationship with the local community.
Marriott ni ugite hari bata wa mabururi maya meri kunyitanira niguo kwambika mitaratara mirungiriru ya kung'ethanira na itoi.
And the only way we can do that is by working with the government of Kenya, supporting the government in our shared interest to keep Kenyans safe, but to keep its visitors to Kenya safe and to keep the tourism flowing.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, jitagwo Gathoni Wang'ang'a.